Hey everyone, it's great to see you all here today. Welcome to this awesome discussion about engagement. Whether you're a teacher, a manager, a content creator, or just someone looking to connect better with others, this is the place for you. Ever wonder how to keep people interested and excited? It's all about connection. Engagement is the key to building strong relationships, fostering collaboration, and creating memorable experiences. We're going to dive into some fun and easy ways to do just that, from interactive activities to thoughtful communication strategies. So, whether you're looking to spice up your meetings, make your classes more dynamic, or simply want to be more engaging in your everyday interactions, stay tuned. Lubination. Get ready to unlock the secrets of keeping your audience hooked. We'll explore practical tips and real-life examples that you can start using right away. Imagine being able to capture and hold the attention of your audience, making every interaction meaningful and impactful. One of the first things to consider is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and needs? By knowing your audience, you can tailor your approach to resonate with them on a deeper level. This might mean using relatable examples, asking questions to involve them, or even incorporating humor to keep things light and enjoyable. Another powerful tool is active listening. When you show genuine interest in what others have to say, it creates a sense of value and respect. This not only keeps them engaged, but also builds trust and rapport. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. It's not just about talking, it's about listening and responding thoughtfully. Technology can also play a significant role in enhancing engagement. Interactive tools like polls, quizzes, and live Quanda sessions can make your presentations more dynamic and participatory. These tools not only break the monotony, but also provide instant feedback, making your audience feel involved and heard. Don't forget the power of storytelling. Sharing personal anecdotes or real-life case studies can make your content more relatable and memorable. Stories have a unique way of connecting with people on an emotional level, making your message more impactful. Lastly, remember to be authentic. People can easily sense when you're being genuine. Authenticity builds trust and makes your interactions more meaningful. So be yourself, share your passion, and let your enthusiasm shine through. Engagement is all about creating connections and making people feel valued. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master of engagement. So let's get started and make every interaction count. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to engagement is connection, and with the right approach, you can make a lasting impact on those around you. Happy engaging. This isn't just about me talking. This is about your thoughts and ideas matter so much. When you feel heard and valued, you become way more engaged. So let's chat, laugh, and learn together. Okay, before we go any further, I have a challenge for you. What's your biggest question about engagement? Seriously, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and your questions help me make this even better. Did you know that pandas can rent DVDs in Japan? True story. See, throwing in fun facts or a little humor can really spice things up and keep you engaged. It's like adding sprinkles to a cupcake, way more delicious. Keeping it real, keeping it fun. Nobody wants to listen to a robot, right? Being authentic and approachable makes a huge difference. Imagine we're just hanging out, sharing stories, and having a good time. That's the vibe we're going for. The power of storytelling, and storytelling, is an ancient art that has been passed down through generations. It is a powerful tool that can influence, inspire, and connect people from all walks of life. Whether it's a grand epic or a simple anecdote, stories have the ability to captivate and engage audiences in ways that few other mediums can. Stories have this magical way of bringing people together. Imagine sitting around a campfire, the crackling flames casting a warm glow on the faces of those around you. As someone begins to tell a story, everyone leans in, their attention fully captured. The shared experience of listening to a story creates a bond, a sense of community and belonging. It's in these moments that we realize the true power of storytelling. They create connections and make us feel things. A well-told story can evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and laughter to sadness and empathy. When we hear a story that resonates with us, it can leave a lasting impact, shaping our thoughts and feelings. These emotional connections are what make stories so memorable and powerful. Guess what? You have amazing stories too. Each of us has a unique perspective and a wealth of experiences that are worth sharing. Whether it's a funny incident from your childhood, a lesson learned from a challenging situation, or a moment of triumph, your stories have the potential to inspire and connect with others. Don't underestimate the value of your own experiences. Sharing them is one of the best ways to engage with others. When you share your stories, you open up a window into your world, allowing others to see things from your perspective. This can foster understanding, empathy, and a deeper connection with your audience. In a professional setting, storytelling can be a powerful tool for communication, helping to convey complex ideas in a relatable and memorable way. So embrace the power of storytelling and start sharing your stories today. You never know who you might inspire or connect with through the magic of your words. Let's chat, share your thoughts. Okay, time for another check-in. What's resonating with you so far? Any aha moments? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. Engagement. It's a two-way street. Engagement isn't just about you listening to me. It's about me listening to, too. It's about building relationships, respecting different perspectives, and creating a space where everyone feels comfortable sharing. Keep the conversation going. So there you have it. We've reached the end of our journey through the fascinating world of engagement. But remember, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning of a new chapter. We've explored some fun and effective ways to unlock the secrets of engagement. From understanding the importance of active listening to discovering the power of asking the right questions, we've covered a lot of ground. But this is just the beginning. Keep asking questions, sharing your thoughts, and connecting with others. Remember, you are awesome, and your voice matters. The conversations you start today can lead to incredible opportunities and meaningful relationships tomorrow. Think about the last time you had a truly engaging conversation. What made it special? Was it the topic, the people involved, or the way everyone felt heard and valued? These are the elements that make conversations memorable and impactful. When you engage with others, you're not just exchanging words, you're building connections. These connections can open doors to new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities. They can help you grow personally and professionally. So how can you keep the conversation going? Start by being genuinely curious. Ask open-ended questions that invite others to share their thoughts and experiences. Listen actively and show that you value their input. Share your own stories and insights, but also make space for others to contribute. A great conversation is a two-way street where everyone feels heard and appreciated. Don't be afraid to dive deeper into topics that interest you. Whether it's a casual chat with friends or a professional discussion, your enthusiasm can be contagious and inspire others to engage more fully. Remember, engagement is not just about talking. It's about connecting. It's about creating a space where everyone feels comfortable to share and explore ideas. It's about building a community where every voice matters. So keep the conversation going. Whether you're at work, at home, or out with friends, take the time to engage with those around you. Your efforts can make a big difference in creating a more connected and understanding world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found some valuable insights and inspiration to keep your conversations lively and meaningful. Remember, your voice is powerful, and your engagement can spark change, so go out there and make your voice heard. Keep asking questions, keep sharing your thoughts, and keep connecting with others. The world needs your unique perspective and your willingness to change. Together, we can create a world where every conversation is an opportunity to learn, grow, and connect. Keep the conversation going and let's make a difference, one word at a time.